What are the main types of chargings which are used to charge the electric vehicles? Or we can say, what are the types of the chargers to charge the electric vehicle? We can categorize generally in three types. The home chargers, which are generally we can also call the slow chargers, or the medium type of chargers, which can be a commercial one or also can be installed at home, and the fast charging, the commercial one, which is the super fast charging facility which we can generally find at the commercial charging stations. And what are the charging station infrastructures of different countries to facilitate this kind of electric vehicle revolution? If you want to get the complete information about the charging and the many more information about the subject of the electric vehicle, then you are at the right place, because you can find here a comprehensive course about the electric vehicles in which you can find all type of general information based on which you can shine in your profession, or you can be a good researcher, student, or engineer, or a manufacturer, or an expert in the EV industry. Or this course is going to help you out as a simple user of the electric vehicle, because as a user you need a lot of information to run the electric vehicle smoothly. And this course is designed so comprehensively, it doesn't matter that you are a simple user or a student or a researcher or a professional. So what are you waiting for? Let's enroll this course, and you can find easily the link in the description. Have a nice day and good luck for your learning.